How to log into Reason's mobile app. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to log into Reason's mobile app. For that, you have to install. So head over to your respective app store, type in Reasons and install the app. So click onto the install button. Once the application is installed, you then need to go ahead and click onto the login button at the top of the page, or which is going to be located right in center. You click onto that and make sure to click on proceed to online banking, and here you will be asked to type in your user ID and the password associated with your Reasons mobile app, and that's how you'll be logged into your account. Now, while doing this procedure, you have to make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi or stable Wi-Fi connections, and next you also need to make sure that you have stable internet, or you need to make sure that your app is also updated to the latest version. And this is how you'll be logged into your Reasons mobile app. That's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.